I wonder what's going on in here. Oh wow. They're modding these. I don't know which tower this is, but crappy mod going on. Yeah, looks like those two are the ones that are being modded. Alright. Alright, let's go up to 16. Guessing this is the Pinnacle tower. And they're modding these again. Were originally US or Otis, but as you can see, they're modding them again. Yeah, look. Yeah, see, look, you got the new indicator here. Well, old ones, I don't know. Well, look at these two, though. They're modding both of these. I'm gonna go down to 2. But yeah. Yeah, this is the Pinnacle tower, I believe. Yeah, I'm guessing these were either US or Otis. I think these were originally Otis, actually. Escalator Geek 881 and The Elevator Geek have both filmed these. Well, I guess while we wait, we'll get a view. There's a view of some of Myrtle Beach. Not much else to see here. Okay, now it looks like it's finally gonna go up. Okay, good, it's coming. But yeah, these are about to be modded by none other than Thyssenkrupp. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, you can actually pull this open. You can see the inside of this elevator here. I'm not gonna mess with that though. But wow. Alright, looks like it's gonna finally come. This is the only working elevator in this bank, in case you can't tell. Alright, it's coming. But yeah, look at that. Here it is. So yeah, we're gonna lose a set of regular TK traditional, only from the 2000s. That's rather sad, to be honest. So yeah, gonna be bye-bye to this real soon. We're gonna go end on 2. I don't want to overstay my welcome here. Here's a view of the cabs. I'm not sure, I think from what I saw in the other elevator, these cabs are also going bye-bye. So yeah, there's a view of the cab. What a shame. And now it's going down now. Well, I guess I'm gonna end my video here. There it goes. And that is gonna be it.